Hello, welcome back. If you haven't been here before, I'm Emma and I sew stuff, and I've recently reopened my Etsy shop and started selling the things that I sew. So I promised in my last videos that I'd give you an update on what I've sold, what hasn't sold, and what views I've had on Etsy. So I'm going to share all my numbers with you today, and I'm going to share what I've got planned. I've been selling again now for about 6 weeks. We're on August the 16th today, I think. And I reopened my Etsy shop on the 1st or 2nd of July. So we're about 6 weeks in now. So the things that have got the most views, some things have got a lot of views, some things not so many, and we've made some sales. So the things that have had the most views are these glasses pouches that clip onto your lanyard. So they've had the most views, and these as well. These have had a lot of views, and we've made some sales. I'll tell you how many in a minute. These book sleeves and e-reader sleeves, some of them have had views, some haven't. So I've taken the information I've learned to buy fabrics. There's always an excuse to buy fabrics. So these, not so many views, but I didn't expect them to because these were the higher priced items. So let me show you my numbers. So I'll put it up on screen because obviously you can't see my iPad from there. So from the 1st of July to the 16th of August, the clip-on glasses cases have had 25 views. I've put the listings in blocks of 3 for those. I've had 25 views on those ones, 17 views on those ones. And we've had, on the zipper pouches, we've had 12 views, 11 views and 8 views. They're in blocks of 2. In terms of sales, we've had sales of, we've sold 2 of these and we've sold 1 of these. And in every little order, I've been dropping a little lavender pouch from the garden. So we sold 1 of these and 1 of these, and I made a private sale, not through Etsy, for 1 of these with 1 of these. So that's 4 sales we've had. So I'll tell you what the total is for how much I made from the sales in a minute. Let me show you what I got. Let's pop those back in there. So most of the views that I've had have been on things that are like really bright colours and stuff. So I thought that's an excuse to go shopping for really bright colours. So I've bought all these. Most of them are Free Spirit fabrics. They're all fat quarters. I'm going to make a little, a mini collection. I'm going to make a mini collection for the shop. I'll do a video for the whole collection. But look at the fabrics. So yeah, these are all really pretty, but look at these ones. Tula pink. We went Tula pink shopping. Check this guy out. How gorgeous is he? It's the Prince Charming Deja Vu collection. So I got all 8. So I thought I'm going to make a patchwork collection. So I'm going to patchwork a whole bunch of these fabrics together and make some crossbody bags, some foam pouches, and some of these, but all patchwork in all these different fabrics. And look at that one. Would you look at it? Would you just look at it? They're gorgeous and they're so bright. So we've got all these, and I'm going to do some patchwork collections. So how much did I make? Let's have a look. So I actually did put the shop on sale, on 25% sale. What I didn't do was I didn't post on social media any of my products. I wanted it to be organic. I wanted to know what people are looking for without being told what to look for. So obviously they're looking for glasses pouches and zipper pouches. So we're going to add some phone pouches and crossbody bags and see how they do. But they'll be part of the mini collection. Right, so how much did I make? I have made £23 through Etsy. One of those sales was on 25% sale. And then I made £10 from the private sale. So that's £33 in my first month without any advertising or promoting myself on social media. I knew I wouldn't sell much during the first month because it's new. I'm new back to Etsy. So I thought I'd use the time to test things to see what people are actually looking for. So what we're going to do is I'm going to post some videos over the next month with the mini collection. If you want to watch those, don't forget to subscribe. I will add it all to a playlist. I'll add everything to the small business playlist. And I'll come back in, say, I don't know, another month or 6 weeks and tell you how much we've sold then and what the views have been like then. All right, thanks for watching. Stay weird and have a fabulous day.